Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Today we're working on a Scion FR-S GT86, Toyota GT86, Subaru BRZ, all of them will be the same. We'll show you guys how to remove, the radio on that thing. So stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now. Alright guys, so if you get a prying tool, you can remove that plastic trim. Just be gentle with it, like that. You need to pry here and there. We'll show you the clips once we remove it, so you know what to expect and where to apply a little bit more pressure. That way you're not going to break your clips, okay? Alright, look at them now. That's where the clips are, okay? 4 clips. So that's pretty easy so far. Now we have 4 bolts that we need to remove. One here, you can see one here, one underneath, which is all the way in there, and 2 on this side as well. This one and the one there. And those are with a 10mm socket. You will need to use an extension probably for the one all the way down there. So let's go ahead now and remove those. Okay, one is out. Second one. And it's pretty simple to remove the radio on that thing if you want to install aftermarket or you need to replace yours. Okay, and now we are about to do the other 2. This one is still stuck there, and be careful not to drop it. If you hold it a little bit with your finger, you can probably pull it out. Okay, it's still a little bit giving us hard time there. Okay guys, if you get small pliers, you can use those as well to pull it out. Now let's remove the next 2 bolts. And they have different style radios, but all of them should be about the same procedure for all of them. They have with bigger screen, with no screen, anything you can think of. We have many repair videos, guys, on our channel, World Mechanics. It's our main project. Okay, now we can go ahead, pull it out. Check it out, guys. It's in the description below. We have amazing content and it's growing crazy fast as of right now. So now we need to remove all the wiring. You need to press down right there, okay, on this. All of them, you have a little bitty notch, okay, that you need to press down, okay, to release the wires. And now that's the antenna there, cable. Again, you just push down on the clip and pull it out. And that's, guys, that's the radio right there. So that's how simple it is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.